General Knowledge, Chapter 8, Breaking Records. The places we are understanding about in this chapter is really an eye-opener. These places in Earth have superlative features. It is in the nature itself. The Earth is having it naturally, and we are just discovering it. Match A, B, C columns to get the features of that place. First, the challenge is deep. In the Mariana Trench is the deepest point on Earth. This is the deepest sea. The sea in the depth has hidden many secret creatures. To know about the Mariana Trench, click the given link to know the fact. Caspian Sea, with the surface area of more than 370,000 kilometers square, is the world's largest lake. It is the largest lake in the world. This lake is shared by 5 countries: Russia, Kazakhstan, Turkmenistan, Iran, and Azerbaijan. Death Valley. On 10th July 1913, the hottest natural temperature of 56.7 degrees Celsius was recorded in Death Valley, making it the hottest spot on Earth. Northeast Greenland is the largest and most northerly national park in the world, covering an area of 972,000 kilometers square, the largest national park in the world and coolest land. You can see the ice-covered mountain, land and rivers. Bouvet Island, situated more than 1,700 kilometers away from Antarctica. The nearest landmass is considered the remotest place on Earth. You can see the location on Earth shown in the picture. Total ice-covered mountain and land very far away places from land. It is in the midst of sea. Amazon River of South America, which discharges about 209,000 cubic meters of water every second, is the largest river in the world. To know more about Amazon River and its habitats, click on the given link. Vostok Station in Antarctica became the coldest place on Earth when the temperature dipped to 93 degrees Celsius in 2010. Mawsyn Ram in Meghalaya, India, with an average of annual rainfall of 11,873 mm, is the rainiest place in the world. You can see a natural bridge school children are passing through. It is naturally happened and two different regions are connected through this natural bridge. Angel Falls, with a height of 979 meters, is the world's highest uninterrupted waterfalls. A spectacular video of this falls and its habitat you can see by clicking on the given link and watch the amazing falls. The Congo River, reaching the depth of 220 meters in its lower course, is the deepest river in the world. The Dead Sea at 423 meters minus 1,338 feet below sea level is the world's lowest point in the terms of altitude. The sea is called so because it is having the highest level of salt water. No creature can live in it.